How to replace a Human Touch Novo Flex air pump. You will need a magnetized Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutter, and a zip tie. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Use a magnetized Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws that secure the rear shroud to the chair. Lift the rear shroud, then disconnect the small white connector that connects the shroud to the PCB. Remove the shroud from the chair. Remove the red connector lock from the black connector to the PCB by pulling outward on the tab and then upward. Disconnect the black connector from the PCB. Cut the zip tie that secures the two cables to the air pump. Using a magnetized Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the air pump to the chair. Disconnect the hose from the air pump, then remove the air pump from the chair. Now, let's replace it. To get started, make sure the cable from the black air pump to the PCB is routed as shown. Note the feet on the underside of the air pump and the corresponding holes in the chair tray. Attach the hose to the air pump, making sure the hose is installed as far as it will go. Place the air pump into position, inserting the air pump feet into the corresponding holes. Make sure the hose from the black air pump is secured by the hose clamp on the chair tray. Replace the 4 screws to secure the air pump to the chair. Install the red connector lock onto the air pump cable connector, feed the cable under the air hoses, then connect the connector to the PCB. Using a new zip tie, secure the 2 cables on the left side of the air pump to the pump. Cut the excess zip tie. Note the 2 tabs in each forward-facing corner of the rear shroud and the corresponding slots on the chair. Install the tabs into the slots, reconnect the shroud connector to the corresponding connector on the PCB, then lower the shroud into position. Make sure the edge of the shroud is behind the edge of the power panel. Replace the 2 screws to secure the shroud to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.